Hello friends, today we will discuss about what is Grid Bot and how to start Grid Bot on Lakshya mobile app. So what is Grid Bot? Grid Bot is a bot strategy and it allows you to set up multiple buy and sell orders within the predetermined price range, and it will help to make more profit from the market's ups and down fluctuation. Let's understand this by one example. This is our price range and this is our open orders, and we also called grids. So as we can see, as the price goes down, our buy order will execute, and as one buy order will execute, one sell order will automatically open at the above grid. As price goes up, our sales order will get executed. When one sell order will execute, one buy order will automatically place at the below grid. So as much this price will fluctuates within our price range, many orders will execute, and as many orders will execute, that much more profit we will get. Now let's understand how to start Grid Bot on Lakshya mobile app, and for that let's jump into the mobile. First we need to select a trading pair for starting this Grid Bot, and right now we are gonna select BTC-USDT pair. Now click on the more option at below and select Grid Bot from them. As we can see, we have to decide our price range first. So I'm gonna enter 18,000 as our lower price and 28,000 as our upper price. Next is grid number. That means how much order we want open our price range, and here let's enter 100. Next one is investment per grid. So let's enter 20 USDT here, which means if there is a buy order, then I want to buy BTC of 20 USDT, and if there is a sell order, then that much BTC will sold that were bought at the below grid while buying. Next one is advanced options, and there are two options. One is take profit, and the price of take profit must be greater than our upper limit or last price. So let's enter 30,000. And the second one is stop loss, and the price of stop loss is less than our lower grid or last price. So let's enter 15,000 as our stop loss price. Now let's understand below value as well, and the first one is profit per grid. It shows minimum to maximum profit percentage. That means we will get assured profit between 0.36% to 0.56% while execute one sell order. Next one is total required investment. We need 2020 USDT to invest in this bot. And the next one is available balance. That much USDT we have right now in our wallet. So our Grid Bot strategy is ready to execute, and to execute this, just click on create Grid Bot button. Our order successfully placed. To see the detail of this Grid Bot, we have to click on active tab. We can see all the active bots here, and to see extra details of the particular bot, we have to click on that bot. Here we can see our profit of this particular bot. In open order, we can see our total open orders. And in completed tab, we can see our completed orders in this bot. In the history tab, we can see our previous bot details. That's it guys for this video. We will meet on next video. Till then, don't just trade, trade smartly.